Good morning. Are you ready to see the apartment?
Yes, let's go inside.
We'll start with the kitchen and dining room.
Oh, good. A refrigerator and stove. Is there a dishwasher too?
It's right over here next to the sink. There's also a garbage disposal and a trash compactor.
I'd like to take a look at the bedrooms and bath.
Here are the bedrooms. They're connected by the bathroom. There's also a half bath off the living room. Which bedroom will you use?
I like the one facing the pool. I'll use the other one for my study. Can I get a desk and chair for the study?
I'll call the office and see if there are any in storage.
I don't have a car. Is there a grocery store nearby?
You're in luck. There's a supermarket down the street. It's about a 10-minute walk. Let's go back to my office and talk about your lease.